Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Get Yoruba Life TV. Today, we are exploring a deeply meaningful aspect of Yoruba spirituality, the importance of ancestors. In Yoruba land, our ancestors play a vital role in shaping our spiritual journeys. So let's dive into why honoring our ancestors is essential and how you can incorporate this practice into your life. Let's start by understanding who our ancestors are in the context of Yoruba spirituality. In Yoruba culture, ancestors are not just those who have passed away, they are our forebears, family members, community leaders, and anyone who has significantly impacted our lives. They carry the wisdom, experiences, and lessons of the past, and their spirits continue to guide us in the present. Recognizing our ancestors helps us connect with our roots and understand the legacy we inherit. It's a beautiful way to honor those who came before us and paved the way for our existence. Ancestors hold a special place in Yoruba spirituality for several reasons, such as 1. Guidance and protection. Believe that ancestors watch over us, offering guidance and protection. When we seek their counsel through prayer or ritual, we open a channel for their wisdom to flow into our lives. 2. Connection to heritage. Honoring our ancestors connects us to our cultural heritage. It reinforces our identity and fosters a sense of belonging within our families and communities. The connection is vital for personal growth and spiritual development. 3. Healing and transformation. Working with ancestors can also facilitate healing. Many people find that by acknowledging past traumas or unresolved issues within their lineage, they can break cycles and patterns that have held them back. This process is transformative and empowering. Now, let's talk about practical ways to honor your ancestors and incorporate their presence into your spiritual practice. Step 1. Create an ancestor sacred space. One of the most powerful ways to honor your ancestors is by creating an ancestor shrine. This can be a dedicated space in your home where you place the replica images of your ancestors and items that represent your ancestors. Step 2. Offerings. Regularly make offerings to your ancestors, such as pouring gin on the ground as a gift to the spirits. Offerings symbolize respect and gratitude for their guidance. Step 3. Prayer and reflection. Take time to pray and reflect on your ancestors. Speak to them as you will with a loved one. Share your thoughts, express gratitude, and ask for their guidance. This practice strengthens your connection and opens the door for their wisdom to flow. Step 4. Share stories. Sharing stories about your ancestors with family members can be a powerful way to keep their memory alive. Gather your loved ones and recount tales of your ancestors' lives, values, and lessons. This not only honors them, but also strengthens family bonds. Remember, honoring an ancestor is not just an individual practice, it is a community endeavor. In Yoruba culture, rituals and ceremonies often involve families and communities coming together to honor those who have passed away. Participating in these communal rituals can deepen your connection to your heritage and foster a sense of unity. The benefit of honoring ancestors. Engaging with your ancestors has numerous benefits. It can bring a sense of peace, clarity, and direction in your life. Many people find that by recognizing the challenges and triumphs of their ancestors, they gain insight into their own struggles and strengths. Ultimately, honoring your ancestors is a way of acknowledging your roots and embracing the wisdom they offer. It's a powerful practice that enriches your spiritual journey. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the importance of ancestors in Yoruba spirituality. I hope this video inspires you to honor your own ancestors and integrate their guidance into your life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insight into Yoruba spirituality. Thank you and bye for now.
Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the super thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Get a better life.